Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize your photo in the Photopea app. It is a very simple process, so let's get started. Find the Photopea app, now open it. Tap onto the simple editor button right here. Now choose from library. Then choose one photo that you want to edit and resize. Now to resize the photo, here you can find the option of crop like button at the top right corner. Now tap on it. Now to resize, simply zoom in or zoom out and adjust the crop like feature on your photo just like this. Now adjust the photo and edit it and tap on to done. And that's it. This is how you can resize the photo in the Photopea app very easily. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.